AI apps are everywhere, and the Paladin app claims to be one that helps you learn history in a smarter, more engaging way using artificial intelligence. But does it actually deliver on that promise, or is it just another novelty in a crowded field? Let's explore. So, Paladin positions itself as an AI powered history learning tool designed to help users understand historical events, figures, and context through conversation, explanation, and interactive queries. It suggests you can ask questions about historical eras, civilizations, or key events and get tailored responses that help you learn and remember more effectively. Sounds exciting, but does it actually teach history any better than a textbook or general AI chat? Here's where AI based learning can shine. Contextual explanations. AI can take big historical topics and break them into understandable chunks. Follow-up questions. You can explore deeper by asking for clarification. Why did this happen? Or how did this impact later events? Personalized pacing. AI can adapt explanations to your level, whether you're a beginner or advanced learner. Apps that successfully harness these strengths help you stay curious and connect dots around timelines. Here's what users often enjoy about Paladin. Clear narrative answers, interactive dialogue, and context and connections. It helps you see how one event leads to another, which is key to deeper history understanding. Many learners say this conversational, personalized approach feels more engaging than reading a textbook or passive article. But it's not perfect. Accuracy can vary. AI can make mistakes or simplify complex topics too much. If you're using it for serious study, you'll still need trusted sources. Less structured curriculum. Unlike courses or textbooks, it doesn't follow a sequenced educational path. You guide the questions. Dependency on prompt. The quality of answers depends heavily on how you ask, and not all questions get perfect responses. So while Paladin feels more interactive, it's not a replacement for formal study or verify historical sources. Paladin is worth it if you want a fun conversational way to explore historical topics, quick explanations without flipping textbooks, and a learning companion that adapts to your questions. It's less ideal if you need academic rigor, citations, or structured lessons like school for exams. So does the Paladin app help you learn history? Yes, in an engaging AI-driven way, but with the usual AI caveats. Accuracy can vary, and it works best alongside trusted educational materials. It's not a replacement for a history class or scholarly book, but it is a neat, interactive way to explore the past. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.